Hello, this is Rick Cherf from Washington State University. So our first slide states, Program and Facilities Management is a multidisciplinary profession that ensures the functionality of the built environment by integrating people, places, processes, and technology throughout the life cycle of the building or buildings or campus. You know, most major projects take anywhere from 6 months to 4 years to build, right? And then we turn it over to an owner. No, owners aren't saying yes to that anymore. What they want is a fully integrated facility. So they need to understand decisions that we make today during design and construction can impact the life of this facility for 40, 50 years. We need to understand those decisions and the impact of that facility. And those are some of the important characteristics that we talk about, or objectives that we want you to understand through this certificate. And then we kind of give you a little bit of an option based on what your sector that you might be in, where you fit into as an owner, builder, or designer. Through the built environment and the coursework, we're going to address relationships between facility stakeholders and the facility's capital resources as defined through the planning, estimating, budgeting, and evaluation of an organization's capital expansion program. We as designers and constructors must understand the needs, the goals, and the program of the owner if we're going to be successful and provide value throughout the process. Key certificate objectives. We want you to understand these key concepts through the project life cycle. We want you to become familiar with the challenges each member of your team may have regarding this process and how to develop solutions to these problems. Evaluate contracting strategies, delivery methods, develop key performance indicators, identify project drivers critical to the capital expansion program, understand what scope development is as it relates to evaluating different cost and scheduling models. Through parametric modeling, we can identify cost and schedule early on in the process to provide value to the owner. And then with that, understand the concept of how building information modeling and parametric modeling is changing the way we deliver facilities and projects. So we're going to connect the dots, or give you some information. Hopefully from that you can take the next step in your career regarding topics such as building information modeling, alternate project delivery, sustainable green building, internet web-based technology, changing workforce issues, global market conditions, increased demand from project owners and users, increased project complexity, poor productivity in existing systems, utilizing smart building technologies, taking a look at what the cloud-based technology is doing to our processes, look at integration and collaboration within the project delivery system, and of course, life cycle cost analysis. A lot of information and a lot of great things to talk and discuss about. And we hope that we give you some tools and things to start with your process to understand how critical these aspects and new activities are changing the way we design and construct buildings. So, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at rcherf@wsu.edu, or go online to our website, and there's plenty of information to give you anything you might need to get you started here at Washington State University. Thank you.